James had not seen the fat controller for several days. He was left all alone after being naughty, and he was not allowed to push coaches and truckers in the yard. Oh dear, it shall have to stay here for always, and no one will see me real paint a hyena. And it was all because it went so fast, it made a hole in one of my coaches that had to be mended with a boat lass. At last the fat controller relieved. Each can say that you are sorry, James. He hopeth that you will be a better engine. You have given me a lot of trouble. People are laughing at me railway, and he do not like that at all. It am very sorry, sir. He will try harder to behave. That is a good engine. It want you to pull some truckers for me. Here are your truckers, James. Have you got some boat lasses ready? And he ran off, laughing. Oh! We want us a proper engine, not a red monster. Come along, he puffed. We will not, screamed the truckers. But James did not care, and he pulled the screeching of truckers out of his fjord. The truckers tried hard to make him give up. Sometimes he would squeak their wheels, and sometimes their axles would run hot, and at a time the trouble had to be put right. And James would start a hyena to make sure that they cannot beat him. Give up! You cannot pull us! You cannot! It a can, and it a will, it a can, and it a will, and so later but surely he pulled them up the lane. At last they saw Gordon's hill. Look out for trouble, James, warned his driver. Do not let them stop you. So James went faster, and soon they were halfway up. It can do it, will the top never come? And then, with a sudden jerk, it came easier. It have done it. Oh, a bit easy, no? They have done it again. We have left our tail in the behind. Look! The last truckers ran back where the sound began. The coupling came apart. But the guards stopped the truckers and got out to warn outcoming engines. So that is where it was easy. What nice things truckers are. There might have been an accident. Shall it help you, James? called Edward. No, thank you. I will put them myself. Good. Do not let them beat you. You're doing well, whistled Edward as James slowly struggled up the hill. It can do it, he puffed. He pulled and puffed as hard as he could. It did it, he panted. They returned first as soon as Felicia, and James was resting in the yard when Edward pulled it up. Pip, pip, he whistled. Then James saw the fat controller. Oh dear, what will he say? But the fat controller was smiling. It was in Edward's train, and it have seen everything. You have made the most troublesome truckers on Selina behave. And after that, you deserve to keep your red paint.